The cosmos has always inspired humanity, driving us to push boundaries, explore the unknown, and redefine what is possible. Among the pioneers in this race to the stars stands ISRO, India's very own gateway to space. 2025 is not just another year for ISRO. It is a defining chapter in its incredible journey. From its humble beginnings to becoming a global leader in space exploration, ISRO's story is one of relentless innovation, determination, and ambition. But how did this organization, with a fraction of the budget of giants like NASA and ESA, reach such heights? And what does its roadmap for 2025 reveal about the future of space exploration? Buckle up as we take you on a journey into ISRO's incredible vision for 2025. ISRO's 2025 mission lineup: Gaganyaan 1, India's human spaceflight ambition. In February 2025, ISRO will launch Gaganyaan 1, an uncrewed test flight that marks India's bold step toward human spaceflight. The Gaganyaan spacecraft, carrying a humanoid robot, Mitra, will demonstrate India's technological prowess in human-rated systems, highlight the LVM-3 rocket and its capabilities, discuss the testing of critical life support systems, re-entry modules, and precision landing mechanisms. Relate this to India's growing stature in space exploration and how it builds on the success of Chandrayaan and Mars orbiter missions. NISAR mission, Earth's watchful eye. In collaboration with NASA, ISRO will launch the NISAR satellite in March 2025. This joint mission aims to provide unprecedented insights into Earth's ecosystems, ice masses, and tectonic activity. Equipped with state-of-the-art radar technology, NISAR will revolutionize our understanding of climate change and natural disasters. Explain the synthetic aperture radar and its applications. Compare NISAR to similar missions from NASA and ESA, emphasizing its cost-effectiveness. NVS-02 and the NavIC system. In January 2025, ISRO will launch the NVS-02 satellite, strengthening India's regional navigation system, NavIC. Designed to rival GPS, NavIC is a testament to ISRO's ability to create world-class systems with limited resources. Discuss NavIC's applications in agriculture, disaster management, and defense. Emphasize India's strategic independence in navigation technologies. Other missions in 2025 are just as exciting. For instance, there are 4 GSLV missions planned, each with unique payloads and objectives. These missions will showcase ISRO's capability in heavy lift launches. Additionally, we have the PSLV and SSLV missions. These missions highlight ISRO's versatility in deploying satellites of various sizes and purposes, proving that ISRO can handle a wide range of space missions efficiently. To truly understand ISRO's accomplishments, we must go back to its roots. Founded in 1969 under the visionary leadership of Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, ISRO started with a single mission to harness space technology for national development. In the early days, ISRO launched Aryabhata in 1975, marking its entry into space. Over the years, key milestones have included Chandrayaan, the Mars orbiter mission, and Chandrayaan 3. Stories of struggles like budget constraints and the use of bullock carts to transport rocket parts highlight the determination and ingenuity that have driven ISRO's success. With a budget that's a fraction of NASA's or ESA's, ISRO has achieved feats that rival the best in the world. How does India's space agency accomplish this? Well, it's all about cost-effective innovations, like using indigenous technology. Missions like Chandrayaan and Mangalyaan have outperformed expectations, delivering incredible results on a tight budget. By comparing the budgets and successes of ISRO in NASA and ESA, we can see how ISRO delivers high return on investment and continues to push the boundaries of space exploration. Close your eyes and imagine this moment. An Indian astronaut gazing back at Earth from the vast expanse of space, the tricolor patch on their suit shimmering with pride. This is not a dream, it's a vision turning into reality. The Gaganyaan mission, India's maiden human spaceflight program, is a bold step toward this extraordinary goal. Before a human takes that seat on a spacecraft, however, there is a critical journey we must embark upon. Enter Gaganyaan 1, a crucial uncrewed test flight. This mission will serve as the backbone of India's ambitious leap into human space exploration. Space exploration is more than just technology or rockets. It's a symbol of human ingenuity, a quest for knowledge, and an inspiration for generations. Gaganyaan isn't just a mission, it's a declaration. It says, India is ready to stake its claim as a leader in space exploration, ready to inspire 1.4 billion people, and ready to shape humanity's future in the cosmos. Gaganyaan is not merely about sending astronauts to space, it's about creating cutting-edge technologies, fostering international collaborations, and opening doors for commercial and scientific opportunities. Gaganyaan 1 is the uncrewed test flight of the Gaganyaan program, scheduled for early 2025. This mission aims to validate the technologies critical for human spaceflight. Let's break it down. To test the spacecraft's performance in Earth's orbit. To validate the life support systems, crew module, and re-entry capabilities. A launch vehicle will carry the Gaganyaan spacecraft into orbit. The spacecraft will remain in low Earth orbit, simulating the conditions a human crew would experience. A series of critical tests, including atmospheric re-entry and splashdown recovery, will be conducted. A humanoid robot, Vyomitra, will occupy the crew seat to mimic human functions and provide vital data. Executing a mission of this scale requires precision, teamwork, and innovation. ISRO has been tirelessly preparing for years, tackling one challenge at a time. Here's how. The Gaganyaan spacecraft will be launched using the LVM-3, ISRO's most powerful rocket. Known for its reliability, the LVM-3 has been modified to accommodate the requirements of human spaceflight. The spacecraft comprises two modules. The crew module, designed to house astronauts, and the service module, which provides propulsion, power, and life support. Every component undergoes rigorous testing to ensure safety. Developing life support systems is a monumental task. From oxygen supply to thermal control, ISRO is leaving no stone unturned to ensure the spacecraft can sustain human life in the harsh environment of space. One of the most critical phases is atmospheric re-entry. Gaganyaan 1 will test the heat shields and parachute systems needed to ensure a safe splashdown in the Indian Ocean, where recovery teams will be on standby. Vyomitra, a semi-autonomous robot, will take center stage in Gaganyaan 1. She will monitor environmental conditions, simulate human functions, and provide invaluable data for future missions. But why does Gaganyaan matter so much to India and the world? The answer lies in its profound impact on multiple fronts. The technologies developed for Gaganyaan will spill over into industries like healthcare, robotics, and manufacturing, boosting India's scientific and economic potential. Gaganyaan is a source of inspiration for every Indian. It showcases our ability to dream big and achieve the impossible. ISRO has partnered with international agencies like NASA, ESA, and Roscosmos to share expertise. These collaborations pave the way for joint missions and a stronger presence in the global space community. Gaganyaan is a stepping stone to grander ambitions, a space station, interplanetary missions, and fostering a new era of space entrepreneurship in India. Imagine a satellite orbiting our planet, tirelessly watching over its every move, from the shifting glaciers of the Arctic to the lush rainforests of the Amazon. This satellite captures it all, but it's not just a camera, it's a scientific marvel, a tool designed to unlock the secrets of our dynamic planet. Welcome to the NISAR mission, a groundbreaking collaboration between NASA and ISRO, two space giants united by a shared vision to safeguard Earth. NISAR, short for NASA-ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar, is not just another satellite. It is the world's most advanced radar imaging satellite, designed to revolutionize the way we understand Earth's land, ice and ecosystems. But what makes this mission so extraordinary? Let's dive in. Die NISAR Sensation aims to provide unprecedented insights into some of the most pressing issues facing our planet. Monitoring land use changes to combat deforestation, studying glacier movements to understand sea level rise, tracking earthquakes, landslides, and other natural disasters to save lives, analyzing agricultural patterns to ensure food security. With a mission like this, NISAR becomes Earth's most reliable sentinel, a guardian for our future. What makes NISAR unique is its state-of-the-art technology. Unlike traditional satellites that rely on visible or infrared light, NISAR uses synthetic aperture radar, SAR. This means it can see through clouds, rain, and even darkness, providing all-weather, day and night imaging. NISAR is equipped with two radar systems, L-band and S-band. The L-band provided by NASA penetrates deeper into surfaces, ideal for studying vegetation and soil moisture. The S-band, developed by ISRO, focuses on finer details, making it perfect for urban and coastal monitoring. With a swath width of 240 kilometers, NISAR can map the entire Earth in just 12 days. Its imaging resolution is so precise that it can detect movements as small as a few millimeters. Orbiting at an altitude of 747 kilometers, NISAR will cover every corner of the planet, from bustling cities to remote wilderness areas. The NISAR mission is a testament to global collaboration. Here's how this ambitious plan is unfolding. This mission brings together NASA's expertise in radar technology and ISRO's prowess in satellite development. While NASA provides the L-band radar and mission software, ISRO contributes the S-band radar, spacecraft bus, and launch vehicle. After years of development, the radars were meticulously tested to ensure they can withstand the harsh conditions of space. The components were then integrated into a single satellite platform. NISAR is slated for launch in 2025 aboard ISRO's GSLV Mark II rocket. Once in orbit, it will begin its mission to monitor Earth's changes over the next 3 years, providing invaluable data to scientists worldwide. ISRO's journey is nothing short of inspiring. From launching humble-sounding rockets in the 1960s to becoming a global space leader, ISRO has proven that dedication and innovation can overcome any challenge. Missions like Chandrayaan and Mangalyaan showcased India's ability to achieve extraordinary feats on a shoestring budget. With NISAR, ISRO is taking its expertise to a global stage, further cementing its reputation as a reliable partner in space exploration. But why should you care about NISAR? The answer lies in its far-reaching benefits. By monitoring deforestation and glacier melt, NISAR provides the data needed to combat climate change. From predicting earthquakes to tracking floods, NISAR's real-time data can save countless lives. By analyzing soil moisture and crop patterns, the mission will help farmers make informed decisions, ensuring food security. For researchers, NISAR is a treasure trove of data, offering insights into Earth's natural processes that were previously impossible to observe. In a world often divided, NISAR stands as a symbol of unity. It's a mission that transcends borders, bringing together the best minds from India and the United States to solve global challenges. This collaboration shows that when nations work together, there's no limit to what we can achieve. NISAR is not just a satellite, it's a promise to protect our planet, to understand its complexities, and to ensure a better future for generations to come. As it prepares to launch, NISAR reminds us that science is not just about exploring the unknown, it's about caring for the home we already have. So as the countdown begins for this historic mission, let us remember that NISAR is not just watching over Earth, it's watching over us all. In a world where navigation is woven into the fabric of our daily lives, from finding the shortest route to work to guiding rescue teams in a disaster zone, a reliable navigation system is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity. While global systems like GPS dominate the navigation landscape, India has stepped forward with its own indigenous marvel, NavIC, or Navigation with Indian Constellation. And now ISRO is preparing to elevate this system with the NVS-02 mission, a milestone in India's quest for self-reliance in navigation technology. India's journey toward creating NavIC began with a vision to break free from dependence on foreign navigation systems like the US GPS or Russia's GLONASS. Why? Because access to these systems can be restricted during critical times such as military operations or emergencies. NavIC was conceived to provide an independent, reliable, and accurate navigation system tailored to India's needs. Officially known as the Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System (IRNSS), NavIC provides seamless coverage over India and a region extending up to 1,500 kilometers beyond its borders. At the heart of the NavIC system lies a constellation of 7 satellites in geostationary and geosynchronous orbits. These satellites work together to provide real-time navigation services. But like all technological marvels, the system needs periodic upgrades to maintain its edge. The NVS-02 satellite is part of the next generation NavIC satellites. Its mission is to enhance the capabilities of the NavIC system by introducing new technologies, ensuring its reliability for decades to come. The NVS-02 mission is not just about adding another satellite to the constellation. It's a leap forward with several key objectives. NVS-02 is equipped with enhanced atomic clocks and advanced payloads, ensuring even greater accuracy in navigation. With the ability to broadcast dual-frequency signals L5 and S bands, the satellite will offer better resistance to interference and improve performance in challenging environments. From precision agriculture to disaster management and even autonomous vehicles, NVS-02 opens the door to a plethora of applications. Designed for a longer operational life, this satellite ensures the continuity of NavIC services well into the future. The NVS-02 mission is a product of ISRO's relentless dedication to innovation and excellence. Here's how ISRO is bringing this mission to life. The satellite is built with advanced payloads, including rubidium atomic clocks for precision timing and navigation signal generation systems. Every component undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it can withstand the harsh conditions of space, from extreme temperatures to radiation exposure. The satellite will be launched aboard ISRO's reliable GSLV rocket, capable of placing heavy payloads into orbit. NVS-02 is designed to integrate smoothly with the existing NavIC constellation, ensuring uninterrupted services during and after deployment. NavIC is more than just a navigation system. It's a lifeline for millions and a symbol of India's technological prowess. Here's why it matters. In times of conflict or emergency, an independent navigation system ensures India's strategic autonomy. From tracking cyclones to coordinating rescue efforts during earthquakes, NavIC plays a crucial role in saving lives. Farmers use NavIC for precision farming, optimizing yields while conserving resources. Fishermen rely on it for navigation and safety in the open seas. NavIC's accuracy and reliability have earned it recognition from the International Maritime Organization for use in navigation across Indian waters. An indigenous navigation system reduces reliance on foreign technologies, fostering innovation and creating opportunities for Indian industries. While GPS has a global reach and decades of development, NavIC has carved out a niche with its regional focus and pinpoint accuracy over the Indian subcontinent. With a smaller footprint, NavIC delivers unparalleled precision where it matters most, right here in India. Moreover, NavIC's integration with smartphones and other devices is steadily growing, paving the way for mass adoption. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a farmer, NavIC touches your life in ways you might not even realize. It helps you find your way, keeps you safe during natural disasters, and ensures that the food you eat is grown efficiently. NVS-02 is not just about advancing technology. It's about empowering people and ensuring a brighter, safer future for all. As NVS-02 prepares for its journey into space, it marks another chapter in ISRO's story of resilience and innovation. NavIC is more than a navigation system. It's a testament to India's determination to chart its own course. With every mission, ISRO proves that the sky is not the limit. It's just the beginning. NVS-02 and the NavIC system, lighting the way for India and the world. In the heart of a newly independent India, there was a dream. A dream to not just rise from the ashes of colonialism, but to soar into the skies. The dream of space exploration wasn't just about scientific achievement. It was about proving that a nation of visionaries could defy all odds. This is the story of the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, a story of resilience, innovation, and the unyielding spirit of a billion people. The seeds of ISRO were sown in the 1960s, during an era when space exploration was dominated by superpowers like the USA and the USSR. Amidst this global race, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, often hailed as the father of the Indian space program, envisioned a different path. He believed that space technology should serve the people. There are some who question the relevance of space activities in a developing nation. Sarabhai famously said, "We do not have the fantasy of competing with the economically advanced nations. But we are convinced that if we are to play a meaningful role nationally and in the community of nations, we must be second to none in the application of advanced technologies to the real problems of man and society." In 1962, the Indian National Committee for Space Research, INCOSPA, was established, which later evolved into ISRO in 1969. In its early days, ISRO's budget was minuscule, its resources limited, and its facilities rudimentary. Rockets were transported on bicycles, and components were assembled in small sheds. The first launch pad, a converted church in Tumba, Kerala. Despite these challenges, ISRO achieved its first milestone in 1963 with the launch of the Nike Apache rocket, marking India's entry into the space age. It was a small step but a giant leap in ambition. In 1975, ISRO launched Aryabhata, India's first indigenously built satellite. This historic moment wasn't just about technology. It symbolized India's arrival on the global stage. The satellite was named after the ancient Indian mathematician, reflecting the country's rich heritage in science. The 1980s were a period of immense learning. ISRO developed the Satellite Launch Vehicle, SLV, but the journey was fraught with failures. The first SLV-3 mission in 1979 failed to place the satellite in orbit, a moment that deeply impacted the team. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, a key figure in the project, later recalled how ISRO embraced failure as a stepping stone. Just a year later, in 1980, the team successfully launched the Rohini satellite into orbit, proving that perseverance pays off. In the 1990s, ISRO introduced the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, PSLV, which quickly became one of the world's most reliable rockets. The PSLV wasn't just a technological marvel, it was an economic boon, enabling ISRO to enter the global satellite launch market. One of its crowning achievements came in 2017, when PSLV launched 104 satellites in a single mission, a world record that showcased ISRO's efficiency and ingenuity. In 2008, Chandrayaan 1 marked India's first mission to the moon, discovering water molecules on the lunar surface, a groundbreaking discovery. In 2014, ISRO stunned the world with Mangalyaan, India's maiden mission to Mars. Completed on a shoestring budget of just $74 million, it made India the first nation to succeed in its first attempt to reach Mars. This feat turned ISRO into a global sensation, earning admiration for its cost-effective yet high-quality engineering. ISRO continues to push boundaries. The Gaganyaan mission, India's first manned spaceflight, is set to place Indian astronauts in orbit, marking a new chapter in our space journey. The agency also faces challenges, from funding constraints to delays, but it turns every obstacle into an opportunity to innovate and learn. While agencies like NASA and ESA operate with billion-dollar budgets, ISRO's annual budget is a fraction of theirs. Yet, it continues to deliver world-class results, proving that innovation is not a function of money, but of determination and ingenuity. ISRO's missions are reliable, affordable, and impactful, earning it a reputation as the space agency for the masses. ISRO's journey resonates with every Indian because it mirrors the journey of the nation itself. From humble beginnings to global recognition, ISRO symbolizes what's possible when vision meets perseverance. Its applications touch the lives of millions. Farmers use ISRO's satellites for weather forecasting. Fishermen navigate using NavIC. Students are inspired by its achievements, dreaming of careers in science. Every rocket that soars into the sky carries the hopes, dreams, and pride of 1.4 billion people. As ISRO looks to the future, its ambitions are limitless. From exploring the Sun and Venus to building a space station, ISRO is set to lead humanity into a new era of exploration and discovery. ISRO's story isn't just about rockets and satellites. It's about the power of dreams, the resilience to overcome challenges, and the belief that the sky is not the limit. It's just the beginning. For every Indian, ISRO is more than a space agency. It's a symbol of our collective potential, a testament to what we can achieve together. This is ISRO, a journey that inspires not just a nation but the world.